arteries. And these little round structures, if I can blow them up a little bit, here's what they look like. See these right here? Here they are here. And if I can blow them up even more, here's what they look like. And so you can see all of the arteries, right, going to those little round structures. So here would be an arteriole going to this structure, and it goes into this structure that is called the Bowman's capsule, this outside part right here, this capsule that goes all the way around, it's called Bowman's capsule, and it forms a capillary. And so the blood goes through here, and once it goes through these capillaries are special kinds of capillaries, where they let pretty much everything go through except for two things, proteins and blood cells. So here comes all of the blood, goes through here, comes into these capillaries, and everything comes out into this space except for the proteins and blood cells. They just keep going along their little way. Okay. But once everything has come out of the blood into this space, we call it filtrate. When it's going through the capillaries, it's called blood, right? But once it leaves the capillaries and comes into the space, it's called filtrate. And so the kidneys, what they do is filter your blood, and when all the filtrate comes out, the kidneys decide what needs to keep going out as urine and what does the body need to take back. So can you see right here these kidneys, these capillaries right here? So when it's filtered into the space, that filter goes through the system of tubules that you see right here. By the time it gets to this long, straight tubule right here, it's urine. But along the way, the kidney can decide, I need to get rid of some other things, or I need to put some things back. So everything comes out here. And as it goes along through here, it says, these blood vessels that are around here say, I'm sorry, let's do this again. As the filtrate goes through here, these tubules say, you know what? I don't really want to get rid of those sodium ions, or this water, or this glucose. So let me put it back in to these capillaries here, so then it can go through the rest of the body. I want to keep it, okay? And then as it continues on down here, these tubules might say, you know what? We need to put some things back into these tubules. Like maybe there was a toxin or something that needs to go back into the tubule. So it makes several decisions. Things come out through here. Once it comes into this tubule, a few things go back into the blood. And then over here, things can go from the blood back into the tubules. Okay, so everyone got it? From here, it gets filtered out. Over here in the tubules, it can go back into the blood, capillaries. As it continues down its way, the blood might say, wait, I need to put these things back. So here's what it looks like. Imagine